Okay, today I would like to introduce you to a self-adhesive drywall patch. Here's the products we'll be using today: a 6" by 6" self-adhesive drywall patch for around $6 or $7 at Lowe's, a 3.5 quart ready-mix container of drywall joint compound, a 4" joint knife right around $10, the mud or the compound is right around $10, and the sanding block is $5.98. I recommend the fine sanding block for this project. Quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for any product you see in this video. So this is in a commercial office building. We had a squirrel get inside the wall and chew through the wall, so we're going to patch this today. If we look at the instructions on the back of the drywall patch, clean up the hole, apply the patch, apply mud over the hole. When the mud dries, sand it smooth, and then spot paint. So as the name implies, you simply apply the self-adhesive patch over the hole, make sure it's centered, and then we're just going to apply our ready mixed drywall mud over this patch. You want to make sure the mud extends, I'd say a good 2 inches past the patch itself. You don't want the mud to end right at the end of the patch. You want to extend your mud on all 4 sides, 1 inch or 2 at least past the patch. That way it gives you some material to sand smooth once the mud dries. And you want to try to make your mud applied as smooth as possible. If you keep your knife almost parallel with the wall, you'll get a smoother finish. Be sure to push plenty of mud into the hole that you're patching through the mesh. This looks a little rough. You want to smooth out the air bubbles and ridges. So I got it smoothed out now. Still not perfect, but we'll let it dry overnight. And then we'll come back gently with our sanding block and sand it smooth. We just want to knock down the high spots even with the low spots. I'm paying particular attention around the perimeter where the drywall mud meets the existing painted wall. And there we go. It's dry. I tack clothed it to make sure there's no dust. You may have to do a second coat of mud, let it dry, and resand. Apply the paint. Once the paint dries, the paint will darken down to blend in with the surrounding wall. Woo! It's a good idea to apply primer first over the drywall mud and then your paint. I didn't do that in this case. I just simply did 2 coats of paint and it'll turn out just fine. I hope this information helps you. And now I would like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available in paperback and ebook format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Or if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for around your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can procure these products you see here for your facility. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.